Science says your skin doesn't age first on your face. It starts in your food. And today, I'll prove it to you. How you can look at least 10 years younger than your actual age. This isn't some secret or hidden formula. It's just common sense. And if you pay a little attention, you can transform your skin. If you truly want to make your skin glow and slow down aging, this video is for you. So, what exactly is skin? Your skin is made of fat and protein, mainly saturated fats, and a smaller amount of unsaturated fats, which means it's already clear what kind of fats you should eat for healthy, youthful skin, and which ones to avoid. Yes, you need to eat saturated fats, even though most people are told to avoid them. When you completely cut fat from your diet and go low fat, you actually age faster. So if you want healthy, firm, glowing skin, include good quality saturated fats in your diet. Now let's understand why cholesterol and saturated fats are so important for your body. First, the cell membrane of every cell in your body, including skin cells, is made up of about 50% cholesterol. Because your body needs cholesterol, it produces some itself, but you also get it from food. Second, cholesterol helps your liver produce bile, the fluid responsible for breaking down fats and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. Without enough cholesterol, your body can't properly absorb those essential vitamins that your skin needs to stay young. And third, your body needs cholesterol to produce hormones. As you age, your hormone levels naturally decline, and that's one of the biggest reasons you start looking older. To maintain a healthy hormonal balance, your body must have enough of the raw material cholesterol to make hormones efficiently. Now, speaking of fat-soluble vitamins, one of the most powerful for your skin is vitamin A. Fat-soluble means your body can store it in fat. It doesn't get flushed out quickly like water-soluble vitamins. So it stays in your system longer and is available when your body needs it. Vitamin A controls the functions of your skin's layers, the epidermis and the dermis. It keeps your skin soft, firm, and resilient because it supports the genes that produce collagen and elastin, the two key proteins that keep your skin tight and youthful. When these proteins are low, your skin becomes dry, flaky, and prone to acne. So where can you get vitamin A from food? It's found in leafy greens like spinach, fenugreek, mustard leaves, bitter gourd, cilantro, mint, and moringa. But here's something important. These vegetables provide beta-carotene, not the active form of vitamin A. Your liver converts beta-carotene into active vitamin A, so keeping your liver healthy is crucial. That means you not only need to eat those greens, but you also need to support your liver function. These foods also give you plenty of antioxidants and phytonutrients, so they're essential for your diet. However, to get the active form of vitamin A directly, the form your body can use instantly, you should eat butter, egg yolks, fish oil, and fatty fish like salmon, trout, pomfret, or rohu. You can also get it from organic cheese, not the processed kind from supermarkets, but naturally made or farm-fresh cheese. If possible, go for free-range or organic eggs instead of farm eggs. They are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin A. Next, let's talk about vitamin E, another fat-soluble vitamin that's crucial for skin health. Vitamin E protects your skin from oxidative damage, which slows down aging. It also shields your skin from sun damage and helps regulate hormones produced by the pituitary gland, preventing wrinkles in both men and women. In women, when menopause begins, the ovaries slow down, leading to a drop in hormone production. This imbalance can speed up aging and dull the skin. Vitamin E helps regulate and balance those hormones again. It's like a natural rejuvenator for your skin and body. Now, where do you get vitamin E? From olive oil, nuts, seeds, and leafy green vegetables. These foods are powerful natural sources that keep your skin glowing and firm. But let's talk about what to avoid, and this part is just as important. Number 1. AGEs, or advanced glycation end products. This happens when protein and sugar or protein and fat combine during cooking. For example, fried chicken, donuts, French fries, or sweet BBQ wings. These foods create sticky proteins inside your body that clog your arteries and even block the glands in your skin. The result? Wrinkled, saggy, lifeless skin. These sticky compounds, ages are one of the main villains of aging. Smoking also increases ages, and so does stress, which raises cortisol levels in your body. High cortisol speeds up aging dramatically. So if you want to slow down aging, you must avoid refined sugars and refined carbohydrates, things like white flour and bakery goods. These foods create oxidative stress, damaging your skin and accelerating aging. That's why a low-carbohydrate diet is so effective for anti-aging. You don't have to eliminate carbs completely, but cutting down on refined carbs makes a big difference. And if you combine a low-carb or keto diet with intermittent fasting, you can supercharge your body's natural repair system through a process called autophagy, where your body replaces old, damaged cells with new, healthy ones. This process keeps your body young at the cellular level. So, to sum it up, if you want to look younger, start by eating the right fats. Include fat-soluble vitamins like A and E, protect your liver health, avoid sugar and refined carbs, and give your body time to repair through fasting. These small steps can make a massive difference not just to your skin, but to your energy, confidence, and the way you feel about yourself. I hope this video helps you understand the real science behind looking younger naturally. That's it for today's video. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, and remember, your skin reflects how you treat your body from the inside. If you learned something new today, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your family and friends. Stay glowing and stay strong.